Good afternoon, good morning, good morning, it's Clive here, Clive Lambert, FuturesTechs. How's it going? It's Friday, and hang on, I'll just turn the squawk off. Sorry, Harry. Revenue model is unsustainable. There you go, right. Okay, Friday, thank goodness it's Friday. That's what my mate there, the old John Smith's man, is saying to us today. It's been a bit of a funny week, obviously with the Fed being the front and centre on what's happened this week. Let's look at some charts. This is the Bund, getting very interesting. If you follow us on Twitter, you'll see we've been talking about 139.32 to 35 as an area of support. You can see it on this chart. That was the October low right there, and then we come along to January. That's the year-to-date low, was 139.35 on this active continuation chart. We have made a new low for the year on that chart then for the Bund, 139.23 trades today. Actually, quickly, if we can go onto the Bund, I can show you something. It's a bit small, but the profile after the gap there yesterday morning, we failed just near the top of yesterday's value area this morning. There's a little single print vacuum area there between 45 and 50, 45 and 50. So that's a bit of a focus now for the Bund, and we're going to see if we stay below there. And we do appear to be, at the moment, accepting these new lower prices. So that's the Bund. What else is interesting? Gold certainly isn't. That's trading between 13.48 and 13.84. That big downtrend line there is at 13.84.5 today, and the week's high is 13.84.1. So there's a big level for you to the upside in gold. And equities, what a remarkable comeback yesterday, and something of a surprise. And there's the S&P. Now what you can see there on the S&P, and I'm just writing this report up now, we've got something called a bullish engulfing pattern. This green candle here, with a real body that surrounds the red candle before it. That is a very powerful reversal pattern in candlestick analysis. Being Friday, we're worried about what the weekly charts are going to look like, and where we're going to close in relation to those. 1647 is the level I've been watching in the S&P to the downside, as well as the Maribuzo line there at 40, just around 1645. And your resistance zone is 58 to 59.5, and I think it's make your mind up time in between those two with a bearish bias, and we'll see how that resolves. I would still be erring on the side of the bears in that one, even though things like the DAX and the Eurostox actually held up remarkably well and have stayed in their sideways chop phase that they've been in for a month or two. So listen guys, have a great weekend. Let's hope England can pile some runs on in the cricket. Let's hope the weather holds up for us all, and I'll be back on Monday. Cheers.